guys, what is up? So it is that time of the month again. The Ipsy Boxycharm box is here. So if you would like to see what's inside this month's box, then just stay tuned. A little disclaimer before we start, Ipsy did send me this box to try. You guys, how is it already July? What is going on? This year is flying by. But let's get started on July's Ipsy Boxycharm box. First thing in the box is the little Boxycharm newsletter, and it says, Passport to Glow. So this month they are giving us vacay-worthy makeup, refreshing skincare, and transportive scents. And then on the inside, it tells a little bit about what you could receive inside your Ipsy Boxycharm box. All right, so the first product in this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box is the Lithy UHD Brow Sculpt Brow Shaping Wax with Sculpting Brush. And you guys, so it comes with a little brush. This just sculpted and locked my brows into place. Here's what it looks like. Open it up. It is just a clear brow gel, and I love how this little applicator that it came with, this little brush, has a flat side so you can really pack the product onto the brow, and then has a spoolie on the other end so you can really get that product through the brow and style your brows how you would like. And as you can see, my brows are just locked into place. There is no transfer whatsoever. They are there to stay. This is just going to really lift, tame, and sculpt those stubborn hairs into place. Next in this month's box is the Il Makiage Black Card Lift, Curl, and Lengthening Mascara. And this just looks a little something like this. I love this simple packaging, and the wand is very, very cool. One side is just flat and the other side has the bristles. Obviously, I cannot go a day without false lashes, but when I did apply this to my regular lashes, I did see that it did what it was supposed to do. It lifted, it curled, it lengthened. So I could definitely see myself repurchasing this in the future. You guys, I died when I saw this next product. This is the Fenty perfume, and this is, I'm not sure what it's called because it doesn't really say. It just says eau de parfum. So, but you guys, this smells so luxurious. It smells so just, it's just a really gorgeous, rich smell. It's very deep, musky, spicy, with a little bit of like floral or fruitiness hidden in there somewhere. It's just very, very sexy. It's a sexy scent. And when you walk into the room, I can guarantee you that all the heads will turn with this on, because that's how good it smells. It just screams boss bitch. That's what this screams to me. It is a spray top, and I do kind of smell a tiny hint of vanilla in there as well. So it's very deep, musky, spicy, floral, fruity. Can't tell which one, maybe more floral, but with a little bit of vanilla as well. It is just so nice. Next in the box is the Innisfree Daily UV Defense Sunscreen. This is not going to leave a white cast on you, and it's also going to kind of give you a glow. I like how this doesn't smell like a sunscreen. It might have just a tiny hint of sunscreen smell, but it's not anything like an overbearing sunscreen kind of smell. I hate being out in public and smelling like sunscreen. Ugh. And also the whole white cast situation is just not good. And this does not do that. So I can definitely see myself using this at some summer festivals as well as by the pool. Last but not least, in the Ipsy Boxycharm box, we've got the Laura Geller Seasonless Staples Wildflower Wishes Eyeshadow Palette. And I do have this on my eyes today. This is such a rich color palette, you guys. Love the packaging, so pretty. And here is what it looks like. Such a gorgeous little palette, and all of the names are flowers, which is very, very cute. And what's cool about this palette is that these shades work all year round. So it's not just a springtime palette or a summertime palette. It is an all year round kind of palette. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box. Let me know down in the comments below what product was your favorite or which one you hope to receive inside your box. With the Boxycharm option, you get 5 full-size products. Subscribers choose 3 products. Everything in the box is worth up to $200, and it's only $30 a month. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me yet another box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.